What is up, everybody? Welcome to this week's Jesse Spec video. I'm as excited, if not even more excited than last week's video, because today you see here my MR2 with a brand new 2ZZ in it, and we're going to be starting the engine for the first time today. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Join me.
Plug and play, they said.
It will start straight away, they said.
Yeah. Internet full of shit once again. No, I'm joking. Anyhow, so as you probably guessed, I was bluffing last week. The engine hadn't started. It just fired twice, and I stopped the video there because it was convenient, because it could buy me more time. Anyhow, what happened is, so we're not gonna give up, of course. I had 1 week time to figure it out, and I figured it out. But it's not as easy as I thought it would be. I remind you that I kept the stock 1ZZ harness with the Corolla ECU, so the 2ZZ ECU, without changing anything. I've actually seen various sources saying the car would start up right away. It at least would allow me to start the engine once. So I wanted to do that, and actually even there that wouldn't work. So first thing I tried was I modified my MR2 key, took the chip from the 2ZZ key and put it into the MR2, modified it a little bit. Still, the engine wouldn't start. I started to get pissed off. So finally what I decided to do is I just realized that there's no point in trying to make it start absolutely with a stock ECU, which, by the way, there was no label on, so I don't know even the Toyota stock part number, which is also why the car wouldn't start. So I thought, okay, I don't have time to lose here. I'm so busy with work and Christmas sales and everything. So I just ordered the harness from Monkey Wrench Racing and put the Power FC in. And I thought, okay, let's just try it like that. So let's head back into the warehouse and see what happens. So a little bit of background here. I did not put any coolant in yet. I just have oil, and the goal is just to get it started, because as you all know, when you do these kind of swaps, once you start the engine, you see right away if things are not okay and if the engine has to be pulled out right away again. So this is why I decided to wait with the cooling system, filling it up, because as long as I'm not sure that the engine runs correctly and there's nothing wrong, then I don't fill it, because otherwise we'll be wasting coolant and time and everything. So let's start this baby. Okay, so we see here the oil pressure is not yet up. I did prime it before just to make sure it was getting oil pressure, so we're good on this side. This is something we have to keep in mind, absolutely. So let's give this baby a start.
Oh, this is too good. I gotta give it a few revs. Bear with me.
Okay, welcome back to the office. What a relief, right? I'm so happy that this engine started. It's the beginning of a long, fun story of modifying this car and mapping and everything. Christmas is around the door though. Of course, it depends at what time of the year you're watching this video, but we're definitely just before Christmas right now. And so what's going to happen from here is I'm going to be filling the coolant up and putting back the exhaust. Won't have any flames shooting out anymore, but I'll be finishing the car step by step. I am not yet sure if I'll be able to put 2 videos during the 2 next weeks because it's Christmas time and I might take 2 weeks off of all of this, including work and including YouTube as well. But in any case, the next steps will be exciting as soon as everything is fully bled in with the coolant and everything. We'll get on to mapping the car and figuring out what we can sort of squeeze out of this engine with the stock internals and everything, and how we can improve it, of course. That's the whole idea of this channel, is to figure out what we can do and what we can't do and how we can improve things. So in any case, I thank you guys so much for watching my videos. The subscriber base is always growing. I'm really thankful for all of you guys who are subscribing. I hoped I would have reached 500 subscribers before the end of the year, but I guess
It's a little bit ambitious for me.
or you can prove me wrong. No stunt here, just it was my goal to reach 500 before the end of the year. We're at 350-ish now, so I hope we're gonna make it, but I'm not quite sure. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed, that means that you can definitely subscribe. It supports my channel. It also supports me mentally in showing that actually people are interested and like what I'm doing. And anyway, I don't want to drag this out very long. I really thank you guys for watching my videos and all the support I get. I really love sharing my passion for cars with you guys, and this is the main reason why I'm doing all this. So anyway, thank you so much once again. This year has been a terrible year, 2020. Hopefully 2021 will be better. And if I don't see you in a video in the next week, then in that case I will wish you Happy New Year already in advance, and Merry Christmas to you and your families and loved ones, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.